Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to find the Pine editor in TradingView in mobile and desktop application to write your own script. So here you can simple see the pyramid icon. It's called Pine editor icon. Okay, it you will find here in your right side sidebar on your TradingView chart panel. Once you tap on it, here you will see it will simple open the editor. Here you can simple create a new, select indicator, strategy, library, which one you want, and then simple here add your script, click on save, and now enter and publish the script. Okay, so here is how you will easily do. Now we will move to the see how we can do in mobile application. Okay, so to find the Pine editor in your mobile device in the mobile trading view application, you can simply click on the three dots in your bottom navigation bar. Once you click on three dots, scroll up, and then here you will see at the last Pine editor. Simple tap on it. Once you tap, the editor will be open here, and then you can simple here your own script, write it, and then simple click on save. Okay, so here is how you can easily find the Pine editor. Okay, goodbye.